child lock is really easy to activate and deactivate. Depending on your model and trim level, you can activate and deactivate child lock one of a few different ways. One way is by using your key to turn the lever in the rear door edges. The correct lever will be identified by the child lock symbol. This will also show you which way to turn the key to activate the child lock system. To the right of the steering wheel, underneath the main dashboard, there's also a simple button. When the green light is on, the child lock is active. Depending upon trim level and model, you may also have the option to activate and deactivate child lock via vehicle settings found via the touchscreen. You can also stop passengers in the rear of the car, activating the rear windows by pressing this button located on the driver's door. Always test child lock activation when the car is stationary.
Citroën.